what most Americans master in, like, the 3rd grade, but it's never too late to learn.
I'm ready to try.
Good luck.